Hello, this is a quick demo how to use Python in your laptop to load the data into OneLake as delta table format. So to make it much easier, I organize everything into functions and with very clear like input and output. And I put this tab I call process logic, and like you can see all the like the progress for the main function, which is process CSV, you may want to use a data frame library. Use any library you appreciate. The only condition is it needs to know how to read CSV. The second is it needs to know how to export to a row table format. And the third one, it needs to know how to capture the file path name. And in this specific use case, because the CSV is too basically messed up, the the library needs to support reading CSV with variable number of column. So I'm using my preferred library, but it doesn't matter. Use anything as long as the support those functionality. So as I have done, I loaded already some files. So I have already 50 files, like 7 million record. And let's see. So I downloaded 10 files and compressed 10 files. And this step is, it will check how many files were loaded already into data table, and it find that they weren't. So all those are new. And after that, it will check if the files to process is more than 0. It means it's not null. Then it will return a data frame. So this function will use the list of files to upload, return data frame, and you input the data frame into write delta lake. You give it the location, which is OneLake table, which is here. And let's see if it's working. So we had 50 before. We should have now 60. Yep, so 60 files, 8 million. All right, so I hope you find it useful, and thanks for listening.